How to check draft stories on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and as you do that, you get the option of post, quick snap, story and reel. Now when you tap on reels or post, we get the option of draft at the top left corner. But as we tap on the story option, we do not have the option of draft. We have templates, music and collages, but we do not have the option to check the draft stories on Instagram over here. So let's go and launch if we have the latest version of Instagram. So let's tap on Google Play Store and search for Instagram over here for now. So let's just tap on it and search Instagram. And as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Instagram application. However, the feature is not available right now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.